What's up everybody, this is your boy Kruger aka Gibson Records. I'm back with another video. My shit is on studio, back in the studio, so play with me. In today's video I'm just gonna show you how to make better guitar melodies in FL Studio 24. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. If you want this to be simple for you, you gotta start with the root notes first. So now I'm busy making my chords. Yeah, that's it. This is good. After that, select all the chords and then B. Yeah. These are my melodies, like I'm trying to create my melodies. This is so cool. This is so dope. Copy and paste. So what I wanna do now, I'm just gonna chords and stuff. Like I'm just gonna give them a bass just cause I kinda feel like they need it. Yeah, I'm still building my melodies. Like I feel like this is so cool. What's next? I'm just gonna render this as an audio clip. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start with my EQ, and then after that I'm gonna cut the low end. That's it. Boost the mid a little bit, and then then after that I'm just gonna add my recto color. Then that's it. Yeah, that's my recto color. Okay, actually a lot of you call it RC20. Yeah, it's RC20. So no, I don't need this. So I'm just gonna put some percussion, and then I just wanna hear like how is it gonna sound with the percussion and stuff. So yeah, I think we'll do that later. For now, I just wanna give this chorus some space and reality and stuff. see how is it gonna sound with the percussion. Ooh, it's so dope. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, notification button, and please like this video. See you on my next video. Thank you.